Hi, I'm Dazzle, and here's my husband Gino. Welcome to Dazzle TV.
Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do an unboxing. Good friends of ours, Tony and Christine. They live at a naval station in a Navy base over at Bahrain, and they sent us this package, and it just got delivered like 15 minutes ago. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I already removed the tape, but we haven't looked inside. It's a pretty heavy box.
I know.
It's it's a big box, really heavy. I know some of the contents. Tony wanted to surprise me. He wanted to send me some Ensure because he knows that I'm drinking Ensure, like going through them really. Like a can of Ensure doesn't even last me a week.
Yeah.
Doesn't even last me a week. And they had switched me to ProSure, but I just can't take the taste of ProSure. Yeah, I still actually have a one can of the ProSure like halfway, and I just couldn't take the taste anymore. And it's vanilla. But it doesn't even taste like vanilla.
It smells like mango.
It's like the worst tasting thing. Maybe it's just me because I had lost my sense of taste, but it's just horrible. So I switched back to Ensure. So this is actually perfect because I have one can left for Ensure. So this should work out really nice.
Yes.
So we'll do an unboxing. And of course, I removed the tape. There was a lot of tape when they packed stuff, you know, and LBC. That's a big bag.
Use this.
Yeah, it's a big bag.
Yeah, it's a
Dude,
big bag.
that'll be a good shopping bag for you for ukay.
Yeah. I need this for my ukay.
Yeah. Oh, and here it is. So here's the Ensure. It's 400 gram box. This is chocolate. And Tony and Christine, they've sent stuff to us before. We're always so grateful. They're so thoughtful. We've had video chats with them before, but we've never met them. And hopefully we'll meet them in December. Because they're headed to Boracay in December, so we'll meet them. So this one's a chocolate flavor.
Yay!
All right. Oh, this one's bigger than that. This is like a jumbo size.
It's like 4 times, 5
Yeah,
times.
this is like twice the size of that one. And this is vanilla, and vanilla's like my favorite flavor.
Yes.
Because it seems to be the mildest, you know, out of all of them. But I can drink them all, you know. It's like
Whoa, it's like 1 kilogram, babe.
yeah.
Otherwise, like
It's 1 kilo. 1 kilo, but
Yeah,
Ensure.
1 kilo.
Same thing here. It's vanilla, so that's awesome.
Yay.
And actually, Dazzle's been putting vanilla ice cream with my Ensure because to add calories because I'm just trying to put some weight on. And like you know, good news. You know, it's like I have gained weight. Finally, you know, every time I go on the scale, it's like dropping.
But now it's like.
Yeah, it's like I got down to the lowest weight I was as 129 pounds. And I started at 168, so almost 40 pounds I lost. But now I'm at 132, so I've gained like 3. And I was so happy when I gained the weight because it's like
As long as it's not dropping.
it's just dropping. You know, it's like I was like, man, you know, I'm not gonna be nothing anymore by the time if I keep dropping.
So we're like so happy.
Yeah, so this is cool because I had mentioned to Tony, maybe even on one of our videos that. Potato, you know, I'm able to eat potatoes. So this is 4 cheese mashed potato, Idahoan. So this is perfect. You know, this is like an easy meal for me. I could, it'll take me like the whole day to eat one because anything that Dazzle cooks for me, anything 1 serving like this, it'll take me all day to eat because I'll eat like half for lunch and then half for dinner. Yeah, it's just like. It's hard for me still to eat because like the texture is all off and not just the taste but also the texture. So there's a lot of that. Awesome.
And of course, Chloe wants to be in the camera.
Yeah, of course. She's seeing this
and
stuff.
Totoy.
She's seeing the stuff.
Hey, Chloe.
And Totoy too.
Ooh. Wow, thank you so much, Tim.
Yeah. Oh, and more Ensure. There's one more Ensure. So another Ensure. So I got like 4 kilos of Ensure. This should last a while, dude. This is.
Mommy, come here, give mommy. Come here, give mommy.
And also, Tony mentions he's sending me some Tums because I get acid reflux now. Certain foods, that's why when Dazzle makes me anything now, we don't put a lot of seasoning because for some reason, pepper or salt, we're trying to avoid that because it's like when I get acid reflux, of course, it goes all the way to my throat, and that's not a good thing. Yeah, this is for antacid. So Tums antacid. So this is not candy, Liana.
Yeah.
Liana, by the way, Liana is our camera
person.
So don't think this is candy.
Yeah, it's
this
not
is
candy.
medicine. This is medicine. Oh, baby.
These are cuties, babe.
Okay, calm down, baby. Oh, they get excited. Both of the dogs are excited because we're opening stuff.
She wants this, babe. Look.
Oh, I know. Of course.
Yeah, this one. And this one.
But this one's wrapped. I need scissors, right? You got the scissors?
I'll get it.
Okay, calm down, baby. You want to sit here? Sit here. Yeah.
Sit
There you go.
Ah, sit.
There you go.
Sit. Okay, daddy.
This one's taped
She's
up.
a daddy's girl.
Oh yeah.
Who's the daddy?
She is. She's like she
Who's the
stays
daddy's
with me in the bed.
Yeah.
It's like all day. We're like in bed together.
Who's the daddy's girl?
I'm never alone in the bedroom.
the
That's like
daddy's girl?
Chloe. And she picks my spirit because like even there's days when I'm just laying there. I like seeing her. She
Yeah.
we play.
Oh.
Be careful.
She's excited.
Yeah, she's
Chloe's
excited.
so excited.
She thinks it's kibbles.
Yeah,
She thinks
that's
it's food.
not dog food.
Oh, this is applesauce. So applesauce is another go-to food for me. So Tony knew that.
That will really help.
he actually sent us before
Yeah.
the applesauce, the little one. This is a huge one.
I actually ate it.
Yeah, and then it's like you can mix it. What I've done with the applesauce is I just don't eat it plain applesauce. I've mixed it with oatmeal. I mixed it with the grits. Tony had sent me grits before, so it's like universal. I'm like, because it's fruit, so I figure I can add it to anything. Just I haven't added it to Ensure.
No,
but
not yet.
I might have to try that and then just to add flavor to the
Oh,
Ensure.
Chloe wants it, daddy. See? She wants more. You want
Oh,
more?
hold on.
You want more? Yeah. She wants more, babe. She's like so excited.
Of course.
Okay. Careful, Chloe.
Careful, Chloe. I'm cutting. I don't want to
Careful.
hit you with that.
Yeah. She's so
I don't want to
excited.
hit you with the scissors, baby. She's more excited.
She's really looking at it.
I know, I know.
Like, she's really interested.
Oh, you're a good girl.
Wow!
Oh, this is cool.
Wow!
Oh man, this is really. I know I can eat this. This is gonna help me out so much. Because these are like let me open one so we can see. This is like it's called Peter Rabbit Organics, and it's banana, mango, broccoli, and kale.
Oh wow!
Vegetable puree, and this stuff we don't have this in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I have never seen this in the Philippines, so this is perfect. It's like I can just like power it down.
Yeah.
It's like give me a lot of nutrients. So it's like these are awesome.
Whoa.
Apple peach. I got apple peach. I got banana, mango, broccoli, and kale. There's like different flavors. Apple peach. So this is
Apple
awesome.
peach.
Again, Leanna, this is not kid food. Because this girl can eat. Leanna can eat.
Don't worry, I just went to the grocery store
Yeah.
today.
Oh yeah, this Dazzle went back to the grocery
I brought her
store.
some snacks.
Snacks. Okay, so she's got snacks. And this one, it's another applesauce. So this is perfect. I've got two
Yay!
containers of that.
Chloe wants it, babe.
I know, she does. She does. Here's another one. There's three applesauce.
Yay! Chloe, look, yummy.
Yummy.
Chloe, yummy.
All right, and that's it. So man, that's like it's like this will probably feed me. I know I'll finish all this because like yesterday was actually the first time when we went and we picked up the arroz caldo.
Yeah,
Arroz caldo is
arroz
that
caldo.
soup
Yeah.
with the
Porridge.
yeah, it's like
Rice porridge.
yeah, rice soup with egg on it.
Yeah.
And that was the first time it's one order where I finished it. So I ate half for lunch and then I ate the half for dinner. And then today, Dazzle went to Calibo and she got me a palabo. Palabo, 'cause, you know, anything soft. So I ate some of that already for lunch, and then I got a lot more. It wasn't as easy to eat as the soup. You know, it's like I'm finding out like that again. The texture is just what's getting me about eating, because I have the dry mouth. So when I eat it, it's like food gets stuck in the top of my throat. It's like it's grainy. It's just like a weird feeling. It's hard to explain, but it doesn't make eating fun. You know, that's why I just tried to like the applesauce is perfect. The potato, it's like I can just push it down and then drink water, and then so I can get the nutrients.
Especially the puree.
The puree would be awesome. Yeah, I can't wait to try that.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Like,
So, thank you, Tony and Christine. I appreciate it as always. You guys are awesome. And Tony and Christine, they do so much for Dazzle and I. It's
and
like
these are really thoughtful.
oh yeah, they're always so thoughtful. You know, it's like we can't wait to meet them in person, because I know they're like awesome people. You know, it's like we have a connection already. I know we're gonna be friends for life. You know, even though we haven't met each other yet. You know, they're just like the nicest people that we've met. You know, it's like
looking forward meeting them in December.
yeah, of course. And hopefully December I should be, you know, a lot healthier, a lot better. You know, it's like I got months. You know, I got this time to, and then what I'll just do if they tell me come October, November that I need more treatments, I'll just postpone my treatments.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be in a hurry to get more treatments. I'll just wait till December's over, so I can at least enjoy the holidays. I can enjoy Thanksgiving. I can enjoy Christmas, because like, you know.
Oops.
Right now it's like I don't know whether I'm gonna need more treatments. You know, it's like we're gonna find out probably like late October when I have my CT scan. But I'm not even thinking about that now. Right now it's just recovery and just enjoying this. You know, enjoying time with the dogs. Enjoying my time, because it's like you know, since late January, you know, I've been seeing nothing but hospitals, tests, chemo, radiation. So I'm just happy that's all over. You know, that's like almost 6 months, more than 6 months of just seeing hospitals, and I'm just like thankful that I have this break, you know, for 3 months or so.
I know it, babe. Chloe wants the box.
Oh, she wants the box. She wants to get in the box. All right, get in the box, girl.
Get in the box, guys.
Get in, girl. Oh yeah. You got it? You got it? She's always a box person. Yeah, she loves the box.
That's why she's like barking at us.
Yeah. Now she's fine, because she got paper, baby.
Oh, she got...
It's just plastic. It's just plastic. Oh, she don't want to give it up.
Oh no.
She doesn't want to give it up. You want to say anything else, babe? Whoop.
I am just so thankful for Tony and Tintin.
Yeah, they're like I said, they're always so nice. You know, it's like I can't wait to meet you guys, you know, in person, and I know we'll have fun.
I'm gonna drink the piña colada.
You're gonna drink the piña colada? Okay. Yeah, maybe by then I can drink, because I haven't had a drink since like New Year's was the last time I had a drink. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in our next video.